Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's the day after Christmas, very cloudy and overcast down here in Southwest Florida. It's supposed to be raining most of the day, so I wanted to jump outside real quick into the garden and harvest a few things and get back in before I get wet. First, I want to make sure that everybody had a wonderful holiday. I know my family did. It was the first holiday that my daughter and my son-in-law, the new son-in-law, came over and visited, fellowshiped with us as husband and wife, and we had a wonderful time. First thing I'm going to harvest is this cauliflower. It looks like my cauliflower is starting to open up, and which means that it's trying to go to seed, and I don't want that, so I'm going to cut it. I can figure out which way to get into. I think we'll go here. And here we go. This one, I don't want the same thing to happen to it, so I guess I'll go ahead and get this one as well. There's a smaller shoot here, so we'll get that one. And we'll get this one. A couple smaller shoots, they're not ready yet. And this one is coming along, but it's not ready yet either. So let's go see about getting some greens. I think probably my Swiss yard. These are lovely. here we go. Nice harvest of chard. And we're gonna get some of the romaine lettuce. Looks good, doesn't it? Nice leaves. I was wondering if anyone can tell me what's going on with this collard here. It's supposed to be green, like its sister plant over here, but this one is yellow, and I have no idea what's going on with it. Leave me a comment in the comment section, so I can try to cure it or fix it. Otherwise, I guess I'll have to have it give up the ghost. Let me know. So I went ahead and got a few of the rutabaga leaves as well. I've been told that since they're brassicas, you can eat them. So I'm gonna try and see. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me while we did this quick little harvest. I'm really happy that my broccoli, I was able to grow broccoli in the raised bed. I have another variety of broccoli that's coming along. It hasn't started forming a head yet, but all the signs are there that it will be. So we'll bring you along when it starts to. And if you got anything out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment, especially concerning the greasy comment that is yellow. It's baffling me as far as why it is that way. I'm not sure if it's a nutrient deficiency or something in the soil or something that I did, but let me know, and all comments will be appreciated and responded back to. If you're interested in any of the seeds or equipment or anything like that used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my my website. If you're interested in joining a Facebook chat group concerning small space gardening, go ahead and head over to my small space gardening group, where you can meet like-minded individuals like yourself and exchange ideas and learn and meet new people in the process from all over the world. We have members from New Zealand, Africa, South America. Head over to it and check it out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the like button. When you do, also hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.